Okay, so the main thing is that ice cream truck over there might have no audio, and plus, it's actually like not working to be fair. Now, you might be wondering, why is this purple ice cream truck here if the audio is not working? Well, probably because it's selling ice cream, even though it does not have any audio. But the main reason what I think is because the audio's private. So that's why it's like sounded like it's broken. But to be fair, actually, this like that ice cream truck has like a weak audio and does not work. So the other time when we played that game, the ice cream trucks were working, but they were playing Mr. Softy the wrong chime. It didn't sound like Mr. Softy. It sounded like some type of other ice cream truck music that is like playing a tune of Mr. Softy. So basically, that's like a weird expression, but good thing it's not working anymore because I think I have another idea for this thing to work. There's another ice cream truck that might have a perfect audio for this one. It'll come appearance soon. Hello. Can I have a blue strawberry cone? Bruh. Oh, thank you. Nice. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay. Wait, I think I need to go to her back. Should be perfect. Oh my gosh, I've never been in an ice cream van before. Let's go! Oh my god. This is so perfect. I never been inside an ice cream van before, actually. I wish I was in some type of other ice cream truck, but to be fair, it's not okay. Sadly. But still, I like this cool vehicle. Right now, I don't have any other chance of it. So, this vehicle's going slow for some reason because I'm happy. What the heck? I'm inside this wonderful area. I never know there was a park in here. Oh well, time to go. What the heck? This ice cream truck from earlier? I don't know why is it parked in here for some reason. Ah, it's so cozy.